friends, for this project, we're gonna make a field of lupine flowers. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna start with the grass, the stems, and the sky, and then we're gonna switch to paint. And the only thing you're gonna need are crayons, paper, paint, and your fingers. All right, oh, you might also need some paper towel. That would be helpful. So I'll get mine ready here to set a good example. So here we go. The first thing we need to do is we need to build some flower stems. And what I'm gonna do here is just go up and down, up and down, up and down. So these are my big ones. They're in the front, the foreground. I have a few over here. And a few in the back. Now you see mine are a little curved. You don't have to do yours curved at all. I just like to pretend maybe the wind is blowing in different directions. How about that? Your choice though. How about a little bit more over here? Some smaller ones. Oop, my paper towel's in the way. Great. Now what I'm gonna do is just draw a horizontal line back here, and I'm actually gonna fill in the whole grassy background. Now what I'm gonna do before I go over this with my paint and stuff, I wanna thicken up those lines. There we go. Really make them darker. Okay, now the last part, I'm just gonna paint the sky. And of course, if you wanna have a sun, pause, get your crayons, add a nice golden sun. How about I add it right here? What do we think? Yeah. Color that in. Some sun rays. So, I'm done with this part. Let's add some flowers. Some flower petals, excuse me. Now, here is my paint. Now, if you don't want to use your fingers, I would recommend getting a big brush like this. Okay? I'll show you how to use that for a couple of them. You could also use a cotton ball if you want to, but I like the way it looks with my fingers. So here we go. I'm gonna choose this dark pink here. Press and dot, dot, dot. Press, dot, dot, dot. You can tell I need more paint there. It's the only time I'll tell you, get paint all over your fingers. And we're gonna go back down the other side. But you can see I need more paint, so I need to pause. I should have refilled my pink before I started. How's that? That's good. Should I add more red? Alrighty. Probably. Let's go for it. Dip. Oh, much better. Dip. Now, I'm not soaking my finger in there. I'm just putting boop, a little bit at a time. Now, I'm done, so I'm going to wipe that finger pretty clean, and then I'm just going to move on to my next color. How about I do a red one? Now, if I make my fingerprints a little bigger, my flowers will look bigger and it appears as though they are closer. Look at that, I can even add more fingers, more petals with my finger. Yeah, that one's a little wonky, but it's cool, right? I'm gonna go off the page like it's really falling off the page. Wipe my finger clean, clean, clean. Now this one in the background, I have a choice here. I think I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna dip a little in the pink and a little in the white. So it's kind of a mix. Oh, that's lovely. So we got that. How about a purple one next? Now, how about let's try this one with the brush, just so if you have a brush and you don't want to use your finger, you can see what it looks like. We're gonna do a little blue one. You hold your brush straight up and walk along, making dots. Dot, 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 dot. Back down the other side. Whoop, I got a little fuzzy. Dot, dot, dot. Very good. But I will say, I kind of like the texture of my finger better, so I'm going to go back to my finger. And this time, what do we think? Should I mix a little bit of the pink and the blue? I think I should. Let's try 1, 2. Whoa, my goodness, it's a lot of paint. Ooh. That's pretty neat. Let's try it again. Ooh. I'll go back down the other side. What a beautiful field. Oh, I love it. I'm going to do a light pink one over here. How's that? Now the only one that I kind of want to change a little bit is this blue one. I want to go back to my finger. So you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do a little bit of white and blue together. Ooh, that might be really cool. The only other thing I want to show you is what if I want to add a little white to a few other petals, like my red ones. We're gonna go over them. Take my paper towel, wipe your finger as best you can, and wipe your brush if you used a brush. And that, my friend, is your lupine field of flowers.